Hi there. I'm thrilled you're here considering how to take your sustainability journey to the next level. If you've found value in our Beyond Green, the Innovation Lab event, I've got truly something special for you. Introducing the Eco Leadership Accelerator Kit. This exclusive package is designed to maximize your impact and ensure you can implement the powerful strategies we'll be discussing. First, you'll gain access to a private Q&A session where you can ask any lingering questions and gain deeper insights. This ensures that you're fully confident in your action plan and ready to move forward. Next, you'll receive our templates for success. These 3 practical templates are designed to help you organize and optimize your efforts, providing you with a roadmap to efficiently implement sustainable practices without any guesswork. And the cherry on top, my favorite, your 2 personalized one-on-one coaching sessions with me, where we'll tackle your specific challenges and roadblocks. These sessions offer tailored guidance and support, helping you achieve your sustainability goals with confidence. And here's the best part. This comprehensive package is available for a special price of just $4.95. That's incredible value for everything you're getting. Remember, this is a limited time offer designed to support you in creating lasting change. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Click the link below to secure the Eco Leadership Accelerator Kit today, and let's make sustainability a core part of your business journey together. Thank you for being part of our community. I can't wait to help you thrive through sustainable leadership.